Hi everyone, today we will be discussing questions from day 20 of our revision program. Question number 1. As per the scientific studies and observation made by CERN experiments related to our universe, which of the following accounts for the highest percentage of matter in it? This is a current affairs question and we have prepared it by taking some scientific terms that we often see in the newspaper. Dark energy is something that's associated with the vacuum in space. It is distributed evenly throughout the universe, not only in space but also in time. So the answer is option C, dark energy. Question number 2. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. The manned mission of ISRO will be accomplished using ISRO's GSLV Mark III launch vehicle. Statement 2. Indian astronauts will be launched to approximately 400 km low Earth orbit for a maximum duration of 7 days. Which of the above statements are correct? So this ISRO has decided to undertake a manned mission to space before the 75th anniversary of Indian independence. The manned mission is supposed to be accomplished by ISRO's launch vehicle GSLV Mk3. The mission will launch the Indian astronauts from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, in an approximately 400 km low Earth orbit. The maximum mission planned is of 7 days duration. Therefore, the answer is option C. Both statements 1 and 2 are right. Question number 3. The terms zinc finger nuclease and transcription activator like effector nuclease are related to which of the following? A. Gene editing technology. B. Range of m-RNA molecules expressed by an organism. C. Reproductive cloning of mature animals. D. Set of small molecule chemicals within a biological sample. The terms given here are actually well-established genome editing tools. Same like the CRISPR or the Cas9 technology that we often see in the news. Therefore, the answer is A. Zinc finger nuclease and transcription activated like effector nuclease are actually gene editing technologies. Question number 4. With reference to development in biotechnology, consider the following statements. Statement 1. Synthetic genes are produced by cutting and pasting different bits of DNA together. Statement 2. Millions to billions of copies of a specific DNA sample can be replicated in artificial laboratories. Which of the above statements are correct? These synthetic genes are actually made by cutting and pasting DNA bits in a laboratory condition. And regarding these specific DNA samples, we have the provision to amplify it to a large enough amount to study it in detail. We do that by using the polymerase chain reaction, and doing so we can also replicate it into any number of DNA samples that we need. So the answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Question number 5. Which of the following are the most favorable conditions for liquefying gas? A. Low pressure and high temperature. B. Low pressure and low temperature. C. High pressure and high temperature. D. High pressure and low temperature. These LPG cylinders we use at the home, when we turn on the knob, we suddenly feel a kind of cold sensation around the valve. It's because the gas which is liquefied at very low temperature is gushing out. So gases are liquefied easily at low temperature and high pressure. Therefore, the answer is D. It's possible to do so because at low temperature, the kinetic energy of molecules of the gas are minimum, and high pressure increase the intermolecular forces of attraction between the molecules. As a result, the gas molecules can be tightly packed in a small space. So the answer is D. High pressure and low temperature. Question number 6. Cooking is difficult in high altitudes because of the A. Low temperature at high altitude. B. High pressure at higher altitude. C. Low pressure at higher altitude. D. High boiling point of water. In the atmosphere, the maximum pressure we feel is at the sea level because the maximum amount of gases, water vapors are concentrated near the surface of the earth. As we go up, the density decreases. The boiling point of water is lower at higher altitude due to the decreased air pressure. This may require an increase in cooking times or temperature and alteration of recipe ingredients. Therefore, the answer is option C, high pressure at high altitude. Question number 7. Consider the following pairs. Test satellite NASA OSIRIS-REx, JAXA, AOLS satellite, ESA. AOLS is an atmospheric dynamic mission. It was actually built to study more about the atmospheric wind systems. It was built by European Space Agency. And regarding this TESS satellite, TESS is Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite. It's a space technology for NASA's Explorers program. It's designed to search for exoplanets using transit method in an area 400 times larger than covered by the Kepler mission, which was launched earlier. And OSIRIS-REx is a NASA asteroid study and sample return mission. The mission's primary goal is to obtain a sample of at least 60 grams from the asteroid and return the sample to Earth for detailed analysis to study it further. Therefore, the answer is option C, 1 and 3 only. Question number 8. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. The International Space Station Program Mission Control is located in India. India and China are the only Asian countries participating in the International Space Station project. This International Space Station, it was launched in 1998 and it involves US, Russia, Canada, Japan and European Space Agency. The mission control is located in Russia, and India, since it not being a participatory country, doesn't have the mission control. So the answer is D, neither one nor two. Question number 9. Democracy Index is released by Institute for Economic and Peace, Economic Intelligence Unit, Amnesty International, United Nations. This Democracy Index is an index compiled by the Economics Intelligence Unit. It's a UK-based company. What it does is that it measures the state of democracy in 167 countries. So the answer is B, Economics Intelligence Unit. Question number 10. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Saltwater crocodiles are endemic to the Chambal river in India. Statement 2. White rhinos are naturally found in India. Statement 3. Cheetahs are naturally found in Asia. These white rhinos are also found in parts of Africa. The naturally found type of rhino in our country is actually the one-horned rhino. The same is the case with cheetahs also. They are found in Africa and Asia. And this saltwater crocodile, not just in Chambal River, it is also found in almost every water body in eastern coast. So the answer is option C, 3 only. Cheetahs are naturally found in Asia. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will be posting the questions of day 21 of our revision program. So please check the YouTube channel for the solutions. Thank you.